All right, so to start tonight's hour, we are going to start putting some more gaskets on here. Yeah, last night I just did a little test fit on everything. You know, got to make sure it looks great, and I was really pleased how it turned out. But yeah, let's start putting some gaskets on, and hopefully we'll get this thing finished. Well, got into a little situation, I guess. So I got these sweet new valve covers. The gasket, however, these little tabs here were really wide, so I trimmed them down, and yeah, I'm just gonna smother it in some gasket seal and just hope for the best. That's all I can do. Maybe there's a correct gasket out there. I didn't get one, so let's see how it goes. So we're getting the gasket set in place here. A whole lot of gasket seals, so hopefully that works. Just have these little tabs in here, so I think it's a little easier. We go on valve cover first, huh? This is gonna be a mess. One pair of gloves down. Probably got it all up my camera too. Alright, so I positioned the motor so you guys can see it better. And it's just sliding off. So that'll about do it for tonight. Fuel pumps on and valve covers. That's it. That's all I got to do for 1 hour. It really slowed me down a lot was having to cut the gasket to fit. Hope it's right. But I will attach a photo of what it looks like at the parts I'll test, but it looks pretty cool in my opinion, and I'm pretty proud of myself for how it's going to turn out. So yeah, if you saw any earlier videos, this motor was absolutely disgusting when I took it out of the truck. So to see this is what it looks like now, it's just unbelievable. Never taken the time to actually clean a motor before. It's pretty sweet. So yep, there's 1 hour.